Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Vonage. Is Vonage an app? Well, the answer is a bit complicated. Vonage is actually a cloud-based communications platform that offers a variety of services, including phone service, internet service, and TV service. So, while Vonage isn't technically an app, it does have a mobile app that you can use to manage your account and make calls. In this video, I'm going to be discussing the different services that Vonage offers, as well as the pros and cons of using Vonage. I'll also show you how to set up Vonage and make a call using the Vonage app. What is Vonage? Vonage is a cloud-based communications platform that offers a variety of services, including phone service, internet service, and TV service. Vonage was founded in 2001 and is headquartered in New Jersey. Vonage services. Here are some of the services that Vonage offers. Vonage Voice. This is Vonage's phone service. It allows you to make and receive calls from your computer, smartphone, or landline phone. Vonage Internet. This is Vonage's internet service. It offers a variety of speeds and plans to meet your needs. Vonage TV. This is Vonage's TV service. It offers a variety of channels and packages to choose from. Vonage Business Solutions. Vonage also offers a variety of business solutions, such as cloud-based contact center software and unified communication solutions. Pros and cons of using Vonage. Pros. Vonage is a reliable and affordable provider. Vonage offers a variety of services, so you can find the perfect plan for your needs. Vonage has a good reputation for customer service. Vonage offers a variety of features, such as voicemail, call forwarding, and caller ID. Cons. Vonage can be more expensive than some other phone service providers. Vonage's customer service can be slow at times. Vonage doesn't offer as many features as some other phone service providers. How to set up Vonage. If you're interested in signing up for Vonage, here are the steps you need to follow. Go to the Vonage website and click on the Get Started button. Enter your zip code and click on the Continue button. Choose the type of service you want to sign up for. Select a plan and enter your billing information. Once you've completed these steps, Vonage will send you a confirmation email. How to make a call using the Vonage app. Once you've set up Vonage, you can use the Vonage app to make calls from your smartphone. Here are the steps you need to follow. Open the Vonage app. Tap on the Dialer tab. Enter the phone number you want to call. Tap on the Call button. So, is Vonage an app? Well, technically no, but it does have a mobile app that you can use to manage your account and make calls. Vonage is a reliable and affordable provider that offers a variety of services. If you're looking for a good phone service provider, I would recommend checking out Vonage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.